Identity theft can make it hard for you to get credit, a job, a place to live, or utilities, but you can reduce the risk of identity theft. Protect your information at home, work, on your computer, and even your mobile device. At home, you can keep your financial records, Social Security, and Medicare records in a safe place. Shred papers with sensitive information, and take mail out of your mailbox as soon as you can. At work, only give your Social Security number if you must, and don't give your personal information to someone who calls or emails you. On your computer, you should use passwords that aren't easy to guess, using numbers and symbols when you can. Don't respond to emails or other messages that ask for personal information. Don't put sensitive information on a computer in a public place. And be sure not to open attachments in suspicious email messages. On your mobile device, you should lock your device with a password or personal identification number. Use strong passwords for all apps. You can also use fingerprint identification or other biometrics. However, don't use it if you share your phone. For additional best practices, watch our video on mobile banking security. For more ways you can protect your identity, download our tips and tricks guide, including helpful identity theft contacts and websites. For more information about identity theft, or if you think you've been a victim of identity theft, contact our Member Service Center at 315-724-1654 or online at gpofcu.com.